Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us, hip hooray!
Healthy foods versus junk foods. Hi kids! Today we're learning all about the foods that keep us strong and the ones we should only eat sometimes. Meet our healthy food friends, Annie the apple, Mr. Carrot and Betty Broccoli. They give us the energy we need to play, learn and grow.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Carrot and I'm here to tell you about healthy foods.
And I'm Annie the apple. Eating healthy is so much fun.
Hi, I'm Betty Broccoli. We're all about making your body strong and happy.
But not all foods are the best for our bodies. These are our junk food friends. We can enjoy them once in a while, but too much can make us feel yucky.
Well, hi, I'm Cappy the Cupcake. I guess I'm a treat.
I'm Sammy Soda. Sometimes I wish I was healthier.
And I'm Candy the candy bar. Oops.
When you eat healthy foods, you get the energy to run, jump, and play all day.
Run, jump, play. Healthy foods give you energy.
Yeah, you can do anything with healthy food.
Healthy foods are the best.
But if we eat too many treats like cupcakes and candy, we might feel tired or even get a tummy ache.
This cupcake tastes too sweet. I am getting tired.
Breaking news.
Are you okay?
Maybe we're not so great all the time.
Oops.
It's okay to enjoy a treat once in a while, but remember to fill up on foods that keep you strong and happy.
It's all about balance.
Yeah, a little bit is okay.
Eating healthy foods helps you grow strong, while treats are fun for special occasions. So let's make good choices together.
Oh, we're here to help you every day.
And I'll be here for a special treat.
Eating healthy foods helps you grow strong, while treats are fun for special occasions. So let's make good choices together.
Thanks for watching. Remember to choose healthy foods every day. Bye-bye, stay strong and eat healthy.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star.